Hello, welcome back to the channel. As promised, we are here with another room. Uh, Exploit vulnerabilities. There was another room before this one, but I promise you, you'll be able to do it on your own. All the answers are found in the text. I may do a overview once we finish the entire module. So what we have here is exploit vulnerabilities. Um, I already did the 4 rooms here, as you can see. Um, Here they're talking about Nessus, which is a vulnerability scanner, and let's go over a few of some of the advantages. So automated scans are easy to repeat, and the results can be shared within a team with ease. These scanners are quick and can test numerous applications efficiently. Open source solutions exist, so they do have an open source. They have a community version and a commercial edition as well. Automated scanners cover a wide range of different vulnerabilities that may be hard to manually search for. Um, little bit of talk about Metasploit, types of vulnerabilities here, and they're asking you, um, you are working close to a deadline for your penetration test and need to scan a web app quickly. Would you use an automated scanner? Well, of course, right? You are testing a web app and you find out that you are able to input and retrieve data in a database. What vulnerability is this? Injection. You managed to impersonate another user. What is this? It is broken access control. Finding manual exploits. Here they are talking about Rapid7, which is pretty much similar to ExploitDB and MVE, which are vulnerability research databases. The only difference between those and this is this also acts as an exploit database. Another resource for you is GitHub, which I actually highly suggest you visit and create a profile. It was initially for software developers, but there's a ton of people uploading different types of codes for all kinds of vulnerabilities. And as you can see here, they did a sample search and whatnot. And you can look by reviews, commits, reviews, discussions. The only downside is that you might find a lot of things that will not work and you will not have any support. Um, that being said, Searchploit, our trusty tool, Searchploit, it is available on Kali, so we should have it here in VirtualBox as well. And uh, I'll try to use uh, whatever they provide me with here and see if I can um, complete the flag, because some of you guys may not have a Kali VM installed, which is cool. Although I highly encourage you to do so. We'll try to do this from the browser. So, yeah, Searchploit, amazing tool, super useful. You can search by application name or vulnerability type. So here you have a sample search. They're looking for WordPress, and you have all these results here that you can download and edit, like what we will do in a second here. So what website would you use as a security researcher if you wanted to upload a proof of concept? Well, that would be GitHub. You are performing a pen test at a site with no with no internet connection. What tool you would use to find exploits to use? Well, Searchploit, right? Because it is already included. Um, Example of a manual exploitation. Okay, we're talking here about Tomcat, and they're giving you here a modifying an exploit before and after. So uh, what did they change? Well, the IP address, right? And then exploit, right? Okay, sounds about right. What type of vulnerability this was? RCE, remote code execution. And I already fired up the machine. I have, well, hopefully it stored it, which of course it didn't. Okay, let me copy this link real quick here. Okie dokes. Alrighty. So what do we have here? We have Simnatic Bookstore. Alrighty, awesome. So we have a few books here. I'm pretty sure that, you know, if you're on your Kali machine, you'd be able to download these. I didn't check it out, but why not, right? So, um, whoops, let's go here. So, find out the application that is running. What is the name and version of the application number? Let's refresh the page. Oh, I think I saw something there. Let's scroll down. Oh, there it is. Online Bookstore V1. Okay, so let's open a terminal. And what is the tool that we just talked about that we can use on our own Kali machine and exploit for tools? Searchploit, right? So search exploit online bookstore. Oh no. Store. Okay, great. So we have a few, but we're going to get this one right here, unauthenticated remote code execution, I assume that's gonna say. So in order to get, so you see there's a path there, right? So if you've never done this before, don't worry, I'll walk you through. That's why we have this video, right? It's for you. So in order to get to this path and get the Python script, because it is a Python script, .py is a Python script, you will have to put in Python and then m and then php web apps slash 47887.py. Huh. Okay, I see. My bad. So the command is searchploit.m. Alrighty. So, okay, we have it right there. So, let's do a nano real quick, 47, and let's see what did we get. What does the code look like? Remote code execution, exploit author Tiberius. If you don't know who Tiberius is, I definitely highly suggest you would go to his YouTube channel. He has a awesome channel and he is a wizard. Is one of the guys that you should definitely follow on YouTube and look at some of his videos. 2020, so fairly recent. Okay, we have we're importing art parse, random, request string sys. Okay, so now we're just exploring to see if there's anything that we can modify. So as you can see here, there's an echo call shell exec cmd get cmd. So it's going to get cmd to file image plus PHP, attempting to upload PHP web shell. Okay, admin add PHP. Is that it? No, it's not it. Bootstrap dot image. Oh, okay. Okay, you know what I think I'll do? I'll just do this full screen. Are we full screen? I guess so. Well, it didn't actually matter. It's alright. Okay, so it looks like this is it, right? I don't think there's anything for us to modify there. So then we'll do Python and then 47. Oh, and then we'll have to copy the, I forgot to copy the target page. Okay, verify, okay. CMD, who am I? Okay, so let's take this link here. And let's go to our page. Paste the link here. Ooh, that is pretty cool. So www data, right? So let's see how the link looks like. I think I saw something interesting here. CMD, who am I? So let's do, can we do an ls? What do you think? Equals ls. Oh my goodness, there's so much lag. Oh, it actually works. Okay. So we did that. We did this. I totally forgot what it was. Online bookstore. Something. We'll get to that later. Use this exploit. Okay, what is the flag? In a web directory. Oh, var www bootstrap img. Okay, so let's do that. And append let's do ls plus, because that is going to be a space. So pluses are spaces, and we're going to add no, this is bad. ls plus of course, because it's not working because I did not use the clipboard because I forgot I'm using the attack box. So we're gonna copy this guy again, go in the clipboard. Okay, select this again. Okay. And now let's append this URL. This is terrible. Usually it's the first time that it's been so laggy. I really don't understand what's going on. Oh my goodness. Alrighty. Let's do this again. So we have two links copied. Alrighty, so we're back to square one. Now, blank page. Okay, we'll do an ls plus. Okay. Okay, let's see what we have here, right? Sharp, doing good. Flag, flat.txt. So we'll just do a cat, and we'll put in the flag.txt in our path as well. Sorry guys, it's super laggy today, but I promise that we'll get there eventually. Okay. /flag.txt, and then instead of ls, we're going to do cat. Oh, what do you know? We have our flag. Fantabulous. Okie dokes. Slap that in. And then let's see, what was the vulnerability? Online bookstore version 1.0. Is that it? Yep, that was it. Alrighty, so that was the room. Let's terminate the machine and go back here. And we have the vulnerability capstone. Oh, I should have showed you this first room here. Like I said, the 101, you don't really have any flags. You do have a mock site here, but they actually give you this flag. You don't have to do anything for it. They just walk you through everything. So I promise you, you'll be just fine. Let's go into the capstone and see if we can finish this here, since it's been going fairly smooth. So, okay, let's get hacking. Right? Start the machine. Oh, allow 5 minutes. I might have to stop the recording here or something like that. Alrighty, let's do a quick reading of what we're supposed to be doing. Okay, deploy, blah, 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 wait 5 minutes. So what are they asking from us? What is the name of the app running on the vulnerable machine? What is the version number of this application? What is the number of the CVE that allows an attacker to remotely execute code on this application? Okay. Use the resources and skill learned throughout this module to find and use the relevant exploit to exploit this vulnerability. Can be used for this vulnerability, some more useful than others. There is an exploit located on the attack box under user share exploits vulnerability capstone. Oh, okay, so I guess if we can't find anything, there's always this here. What is the value of the flag? Located on this vulnerable machine. The flag is in home Ubuntu. Some exploit would require you to set up a netcat reverse listener to gain access to the shell. Okay, so we'll have to get a shell. Okay. Here's our IP address. 15 more seconds and then we are ready to rumble and then finish this room. Hopefully, well, the other one, you saw it, it didn't take us too long. It didn't take us, I mean, it was just a few minutes, right? So hopefully it's not gonna be too bad, right? So let's see what we got here. Uh, 10.10.100.23. Fuel CMS version 1.4. Okay, well, there we go. I mean, we could start looking for a exploit right off the bat. Which, let's do that. What is the name of the application running on the vulnerable machine? Oh, do we actually have to do a scan? I guess we have to do an nmap scan, right? Sure, let's do an nmap scan. Let's do SV and then 10.10.100.23 and let this run. Let's do CVE for fuel CMS 1.4. 1.4, right? Okay, let's skip this. Sure, I agree to everything that you want. Okay. Sure, take my cookies. Let's see. Well, how about we use search exploit? Right, since we have the name of the app. Where was our nmap? What? Okay, so what do we have? We have Apache and 422 open, and that's about it. I guess fuel CMS. Well, that was for nothing. Fuel CMS. So we do have RC, remote code execution, which is awesome. So search exploit -m Linux web apps 47.138.py. Beautiful, beautiful. That's what he said. Okay, so we have that. We found all these flags. What was the CVE number? Let's look at the CVE number here so we can get that flag also. Copy, use the clipboard. Okay, and paste it here. Okay, how about without the space? Well, that's weird. Okay, if you say so. I mean, yeah, this is it. Do they want CVE? Yeah. Apparently that was the issue. Okay, awesome. So we have that flag. So what's left? It is, yeah, let's go back to our terminal. Let's do a nano 47 138 and see what can we do here. Okay, remote code execution. Okay, so the URL here will have to be changed. With the URL of our target. Which is, let's see, 10.10.100.23 port. Let's do 6666. Okay. What else we have here? Line and TH overlapping. Okay. Fuel filter proxy. I don't think we need a proxy. Why would we need a proxy? Let's remove this. Oops. And remove this too. Print. Okay. Sounds about right. So now we'll do Python. HTTP 10.10.100.3. And then we'll set up a listener. Let's set up a listener. Something went wrong. CLVP 6666. Alright guys, so I couldn't get that script to work for whatever reason. It's just really stubborn. It keeps getting errors in the code, which uh, I tried to fix. Uh, Now it's telling me that something in line 23 is not defined, which it is. So I just went ahead and remember how they told us that in a hint here, or no, where was it? Oh no, this hint. User share exploits, vulnerabilities, capstone. Uh, it's pretty much the same exploit basically. So we navigated to user share exploits, vulnerability, capstone, and then we're going to do this following command line. It's Python 3 exploit.py, and then you're going to put in the IP address of the machine, which is 10.10.123. Do not put HTTP though, okay? This is your command right here. So it's going to create a connection, hopefully. Let's set up our listener. So we'll do netcat LVP on port 8080. So now the exploit launched. We have three options here: exit, shell me, and help. So we'll do shell me to get a reverse shell. And then it's asking us for our attacking machine IP and port, which we set up a listener on. So it's 10.10.199.248 on port 8080. Alrighty, hope you had your listener ready. And looks like we have a connection. Who am I? Let's do cd home. Let's do ls. Let's do cd ubuntu. And cat flag.txt. And that is your flag. Copy. And we have completed the room. And I think the entire module, right? So once again, I have no idea why this search exploit script did not work. I'll probably try to troubleshoot it a little bit later and see what happened. 47. Let me know if you if you see anything that shouldn't be here or whatnot. Does say there's an error on this line right here. Yeah, please do let me know. I'm super curious what was wrong. I did fix this line here as well. It missed the brackets there, so yeah, we didn't do that. Once again, what we did, we went to user share exploits, vulnerabilities, capstone. We ran Python 3 exploit.py because that is the exploit that was there already, and then the IP address of our vulnerable machine here. And then Fuel CMS is going to do its thing. You do a shell me to get a reverse shell. You go in and set up a listener in netcat LVP 8080. You'll get a connection, and then you're in. So that was pretty much it for today. Hope that helped you out. I hope you're doing the Pentester Path. Progress 100%. So we're all good to go. Yeah. yeah, please let me know if there's other rooms that you're interested in, and we'll make another video. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time.